which is important for sleeping. So, here is totally dark, but we are about to reach. We are on the way. And look at the view. Welcome to my another video, guys. And this is the time of evening, 7 p.m. Not 7 p.m. I think it's about to 8 p.m. and I will show you the view. Look at the view. Look at the view. View. What a beautiful view. And I'm going to sit. And here I'm sitting because here is windy. Weather is about to becoming cloudy. But I cannot predict anything. Oh, look at the cat. Beautiful cat. But very mischievous cat. Mischievous cat. It is coming. It will come to my home. But right now I am on the roof, so it cannot come. So as you can see the sky right now, here is totally windy and I am here on the roof. I would like to do something, but right now I want to enjoy only. Weather is good enough today, and I'm making plan for one thing. One thing is that I wanna eat today spring roll. So I will go to the Ayush home, and maybe Ayush has came. I heard his bike sound some minute ago because he does work, he does job. That is why I does job too. Sorry, I do job too. So I will go to his home and I will meet. So guys, suddenly I have gotten one of the work. I had to came here to pick my brothers. They are about to coming from somewhere, so they went to another city, that is why, and they will come from there, so I am waiting here. We had came at home. These are boys whom I went to pick. So you have seen, guys, and I will drink water. It's all about protein. Because weather is about to raining. Right now it's drizzling. And maybe we cannot go to eat spring rolls. At that time I was talking about me and Priyanshu will go. Me and Ayush will go. Maybe. At that time I said, sometime I make crazy activity. Maybe we will go. So first of all I will go to the Ayush home, not Priyanshu. I don't know why Priyanshu name always come to my mind. So I'm going to Ayush home. Oh my god, I'm making mistake. Oh my god, here is drizzling, guys. I have to cover my skylight. This is a skylight, as you can see. I have to cover, so I am here. I am going to cover my skylight. Like this I have to do. Like this I have to do, guys. Oh my. So I cover my skylight, as you can see, guys. Sometime I unable to carry my mobile. How to record? I don't know. क्या होने लगा? My brother is saying cover that time when raining will start. Oh my! When rain start, he said. According to him, I shouldn't cover the skylight. He said cover that time when rain start. I cannot wait for that situation. So guys, we are going to buy biryani. You can see we are about to reach that shop where we will buy biryani. And look at the view. It is very nice today because weather is cold. And now I am here. Ayush is riding bike. Ayush is riding bike. Oh my god, what a traffic. Sometime so here is totally dark, but we are about to reach. We are on the way. And look at the view. And we have came in a square. This is my local region square. As you can see, very beautiful. There is a one petrol pump, and we are here. I have to speak loud because reason is that I'm not using my mic. That is why. It's totally cloudy, and look at behind me. There are many shops. I will show you from there too. And we are on the way, as I mentioned before. Hold my cap because if I will not hold, my cap will get off. Shop is there. Shop is there. We are about to reach. Oh my god, there are plenty of cars, plenty of vehicles. As you can see, this is the shop where we want to buy biryani. So guys, I came at home. I have eaten veg biryani. I went, you have seen. But sorry for that, I didn't show there anything. I didn't show anything there because reason is that I didn't get a chance to record anything there. That is why it was very hectic at that time because there were plenty of customers, so it was so much crowd. Suddenly crowd came, so I didn't record anything there. So I am going to sleep. I will sleep here. I will keep my all things which is important for sleeping. So this time for sleeping, first of all I will close all the door and I will sleep. So we will meet to the morning. So guys, I woke up now. As you can see, just few seconds ago I woke up and still I am on sofa. As you can see, mostly I sleep on sofa because it's very comfortable for me. That is why I sleep on sofa. And just after some minute I will get up, but still I am lying on sofa. So yesterday night I was taking so much move here and there, here and there, here and there, here and there. So it happens with me at night. For some minute I will do brush of my teeth, which is most important for me, for hygiene. You should pay attention. You should pay attention, guys. It's necessary things. Everybody must do to their life, brush, everything. I don't want to teach you guys. You already know everything better than me. You already know better than me. So I'm going to do brush, and before I was doing setting of my YouTube channel, but now I have to finish everything within a minute. Okay, tell me this vegetable name. Okay, if you don't know, so I will talk about this vegetable name is ridge gourd, and this is banana, but this is immature banana, and I am mature Gaurav. So like this we can do, like this one we can do. Entertainment is must be necessary for every human life, okay, every human life. And whenever you get a chance for fun, so never ever lose that opportunity, okay, because I am motivational speaker, so that is why I am giving you like this speech. I make fun so much, guys. Now I am out of the sofa and I am going to charge my mobile, because my mobile is not so much charged, so I have to charge. I have to prepare everything before, not before, yes, before. And look at the weather right now from here, from the sunlight, not sunlight, from the skylight, from the skylight. So I'm going to charge my mobile, okay, guys. It is necessary, I have to charge my mobile. So guys, I have eaten my lunch, and but first I would say sorry, at that time I didn't record each and single things. So I am going to do one of the important work, so my both hand will be busy, so at that time I cannot record, and I don't have second person who can record my video. So this is the problem which I am facing right now. So I would like to end this video now. So I would say see you to my next one.